In this video, you will learn about computed columns in SQL Server. A computed column is computed from an expression that can use other columns in the same table. A computed column in SQL Server is a virtual column that computes its values from an expression. We can use a constant value, a function, a value derived from other columns, a non-computed column name, or their combinations. SQL Server does not store these virtual columns physically, so it does not require any storage. We can store these columns physically as well using persisted property if required. If we mark a computed column as persisted, we can define constraints such as check, not null, or foreign key. It also allows you to define an index for the persisted computed column. Create one new employee table. Now, let's add the computed column to get the full name. I'm marking a computed column as persisted, so we can create an index on a computed column. If you leave it as default as not persisted, then virtual columns that are not physically stored in the table. The employee table was successfully created. Let's try to insert a value in the employee table and see the result of the full name computed column. I have inserted the first name and last name. The computed column automatically created a full name. One more example by adding date of birth column and find retired date is computed in the column by adding 60 years from the date of birth. The retired date computed column was successfully created. Let's update the existing value and see the result. The retired date column was updated, and you can see that it added 60 years from the date of birth. One more example by creating a new employee salary table and adding all the amounts to the total salary using the computed column. The employee salary table was successfully created. Now insert the value in the table and see the total salary computed column. Now see all the values automatically added to the total salary. You can also create a computed column using SSMS by right-clicking the table and selecting Design. Then select the column you want as a computed column, and in the column properties, there is a computed column specification. You can enter the formula directly here as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.